What's up, guys? So this is still a propeller shaft for SS Commodore. We're going to replace the center bearing for this one, as it was been already split the rubber cushion. So what you're gonna do is to just remove this thing here. Yeah, just remove that one, and you can see the circlip over there, and then yeah, you can remove that circlip and press this one out or pull it by the puller. So yeah, we already removed the circlip. Yeah, the next thing is, yeah, we have to pull this one out by this puller here. So yeah, it's been removed already. So yeah, that's it. Yeah, then we put the new one in. So the position of the center bearing is just like this. Yeah, so that's like that. So when you are facing to the car, on the front of the car, so this one is on the right. Yeah, so we're gonna fit the circlip. Yeah, all good. So now we're gonna fit this front end of the tail shaft to the rear one, to the rear end. So yeah, make sure that the previous mark that we had is be aligned to where it was, so that it won't affect the drivability of the car, because if we miss this, then it will cause a vibration. It's because of the balance weight of the tail shaft is not anymore coincide with the balance of the rear one. So let's do this. It's gonna fit this one back.